Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to HONNE Back on Top. So this one is a cool and soft song here, and we will look at the different chords here and the strumming pattern, and that is pretty much it. So let's start with no capo here for this song, but we have a couple of chords to learn. So we'll start with the G major 7. Sounds and looks like this. So that is third on the E. Then open A string, but I believe I actually mute it with my finger that I'm holding here on the third E. And then comes the D string, open D string, open G string, third B, and second E. And I muted this A string. I put the third here on E, and I lean on the A string as well, so you get this muted feeling here. So that's the G major 7. Then we have this D chord with the F sharp in the bass. Looks like this, and I'm gonna call it F sharp when I go through this tutorial here. It's easier to say, so it's actually D with F sharp. I'm gonna call it F sharp only. So it's like this, second on E string, then open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. Okay, so next chord will be E7, E minor 7 actually, like this. So that will be open E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Then comes G. So third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then D. So it's open D, second G, third B, and second E. A minor 7. So open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then comes D7. So open D, second G, first B, and second E. And the final chord will be B minor. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down, 5 strings that means. And the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chords here to handle. Yeah, but we will do that easily now. Let's look at the chord progression and then a strumming pattern. So the chord progression will be G major 7 here for the first verse, then the F sharp, or the D with F sharp, we'll say F sharp only. So G major 7, F sharp, G, and D. Sorry, I jumped over this E minor 7. So again, G major 7, F sharp, E major 7, then G and D. That's how we play it. And yeah, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds actually. So that is the verse. So how do we handle these chords? G major 7, F sharp, E major 7, G, and D. I'm gonna play it first for you, and then I'm gonna explain how it's played. And this strumming will pretty much go on through an entire song, except for one part later in the bridge. But otherwise, it's pretty much this style of playing with different chords. So it sounds like this. Right. So if we start with the G major 7, you go from there to the F sharp, and you're gonna strum in the same way. So it will be down, down, up for each chord. So down, down, up, G major 7, and then you switch to the F sharp, down, down, up. So and then the E minor 7 will be down, down, up, and an extra down. So, okay, so we can stop there and repeat. G major 7 and F sharp, you play down, down, up for each chord, and on the final E minor 7, so for final, it will be down, down, up, and an extra down. So slowly, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, down. G major, F sharp, and E minor 7. And then you make a short break there. And then comes the G and D. So for the G here, you're gonna play 2 times of the down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up. And then comes the final chord, the D. You will play in the same way as you play the E minor 7. Down, down, up, and extra down. So this final G and D will be like this, slowly. Okay, so let's play this full chord progression here from the G major 7 slowly so you can be able to follow there. So let's go. And again. Yeah, so you play it actually like we just played 2 rounds of this chord progression, and that is the first verse. Now we're gonna take this strumming pattern and use it for the pre-chorus here. The chords will switch, but you will play them in the same way. So instead you're gonna play the A minor 7 to D7 and to G, and then the F sharp and the B minor. So into the same strumming pattern, it will be like this, slowly, on the A minor. So again, A minor 7, and then D7, and then G, then F sharp, B minor 7, sorry, B minor. Yeah, so that's the chords there. You're gonna play that 1 round, A minor 7, D7, G, F sharp, and B minor. Then comes again the same chords as we learned for the first verse there. So the G major 7, the F sharp, and the E7, then the G and D. This time you won't play any strumming, you only play 1 down for each chord. So to recap here, the pre-chorus I'm gonna play it through for you, and yeah, let's go. From the A minor 7. Slowly, it will be like this. Yeah, so that's the pre-chorus there. Now we are at the chorus here. It's your love, that's what he's saying is there. So you're gonna play the same strumming pattern as we learned here, and you're gonna play the G major 7, the F sharp, and the E7, E minor 7, the G and the D. So it's same as you play in the verse there. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. And after these 2 rounds comes this A minor 7, D7 and G, F sharp and B minor. The chords we just played for the pre-chorus. And then again you go back to 1 round of that of this from the A minor, and then the final round with this back again with the G major 7, E minor 7, and so on. F sharp, E minor 7, G and D. So the chords will be 2 rounds of the G major 7, F sharp, E minor 7, D and G and D, sorry. And then 1 round of the A minor 7, D7, G, F sharp and B minor. And the final 4th round with the same as the first 2 there. G major 7, F sharp, E minor 7, G and D. So yeah, a lot of letters there, but I think you understand this one. With the same strumming pattern, it will sound like this, slow. So let's go. And again. Yeah, so that's the chorus. Now, next, second verse will be same play as in the first verse, and the same goes for the next pre-chorus, also the same as in the first chorus, the pre-chorus, and the same goes for the second chorus. So everything repeats itself, nothing new there. And after this second chorus comes a bridge part. Okay, so the bridge parts here we need to change up a little bit, and we have a new strumming pattern. Let's look at that first. It will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So we're gonna look at this and dissect it into 2 parts. And we're gonna use the E minor since that is the first chord there. And I actually see now, yeah, it's the E minor 7. Yeah, we need to divide it into two parts, the strumming pattern. So the first part will be like this. Sorry. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And the next part will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So to connect these 2 parts, okay, so down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So then the bridge parts starts with 1 full round of the E minor, then 1 full round of the G minor. And I actually see now I forgot to show you this G minor chord in the beginning here. I'm gonna show it right now. So the G minor, you need to bar the 3rd fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. I believe I forgot to give you this one, but that is how you grab this G minor. So E minor 7, 1 full strumming round, then G minor, 1 full strumming. And then comes the A. You're gonna play the first part, the down, 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 up, and then you switch to the F sharp and play the second part, up, down, 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 up. So let's go from there just to begin with. So full from E minor 7, and let's go there. Then the G minor. Then comes this A first part, down, down. And then this F sharp. then comes, after this comes the B minor, a full round of that. Then comes the E minor 7, full round. And it ends with 1 down on the G. Okay, so E minor 7 to G minor to A and to F sharp, then the B minor, E minor 7 and G. Okay, so I'm gonna play this bridge part for you all in all, and you can see how it goes. So let's go. Yeah, so that is how it goes. And after this comes this final chorus, and it's almost exact the same as the other choruses here, except from one part. Because in the end, after you play the A minor 7, the D7, G, F sharp, and the B minor, after that chord progression there, then normally it just goes from the F sharp, sorry, the G, F sharp, E minor 7, G and D. You will play one extra round of that. So after this B minor chord, it goes like the E minor 7, sorry, the G, and then comes the F sharp, and then the E minor, and then you go back to F sharp, and you play the B minor. And then comes this final final round that is in the other choruses there. The G, F sharp, and E minor, and then G and D. And on these final two chords, the G and D, you just end with 1 down. Otherwise, it's the same strumming as we learned before. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. HONNE back on top. And good luck with this one. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.